let's make a Pasta Primavera! For this Pasta Primavera recipe, you will need a tablespoon of chopped tarragon. You're going to need Parmesan cheese, butter, English peas, sweet ones, snow peas. My assistant Anka here is cutting the ends off of the peas so that there are no stems on the peas. This is a great recipe to have kids help with. There's a lot of activities that they can participate in. We're using 16 ounces of pasta, fettuccine, salt and pepper, scallions, asparagus, parsley, garlic, and here are most of the ingredients, and here are all of the ingredients. This recipe, again published by the New York Times, was also calling for crème fraîche or whole milk Greek yogurt, which we skipped. We used all extra olive oil instead because we thought it would make the recipe a little bit lighter, and it turned out fantastic. So we've boiled water with salt in it, a couple teaspoons of salt. We're adding 16 ounces of pasta, even though the recipe calls for 12. We went a little bit over on all ingredients. So we're going to boil that for about 7 minutes. Meanwhile, we're adding butter to the pan, getting ready to add the vegetables to the pan. Here comes the pasta. Just a moment, we'll dump it right in there, strain it, and cover it in olive oil. 7 minutes is the perfect amount of time for this fettuccine to be al dente. Mix it up, and we'll put that in a bowl. We use this large mixing bowl because we're going to have to add all the vegetables and stir everything up later. Garlic goes in the pan. Here comes the asparagus, chopped. There are the snow peas, the English peas, the scallions, and we mix that up. We're going to cook this for 4 to 5 minutes, not more. You're going to think, oh, this isn't enough time to get that asparagus cooked. It is enough time. This is really important. If those vegetables get mushy and soft, the dish will not turn out right. We're adding some salt here. We're going to add some pepper to taste. Stir it up. Let it cook. Stir it up. Let it cook. Stir it up. Let it cook. Here's another look. We're going to take these vegetables out of the pan and we're going to add them to the pasta in the bowl. So here's the pasta, nice and oiled. We're adding all the vegetables to the pasta. It takes a little while to stir them all in because you want a decent balance of vegetables to pasta when you serve this to your guests. Here I go, stirring it in, and you'll see how it's kind of tricky, but it gets there. There we go. It's looking a little bit better. Now we're going to add the herbs. So we've got the tarragon and we've got the parsley, and we're adding that in. We're not even going to cook it. It's going to cook in the heat of the pasta. Now we add in parmesan. We used a good 1.5 cups of parmesan here. And then we put it in the serving bowl. As I mentioned, we added a little bit of extra olive oil, okay, and a little bit of extra everything. A fair amount more parmesan than they called for. The recipe called for 2/3 cup of parmesan, but we used a little bit more. And here's the final product. Delicious.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, please comment below. Thank you. Bye.